everyone, Matt, Nomadic Native, back with you. Thanks for tuning in. So today is day number 39 that we have been off-grid here in southern Florida without hookups, just a boondocking. And everything's going really well, but except for one thing. Something has gone wrong with the RV, and it's a pretty major problem, and we're going to have to get it fixed. And I thought this might be a good time to talk about RV repairs when you're in a remote location. Let me tell you what happened. About a week and a half ago, maybe, the rear AC on our RV stopped blowing cold. It's just regular air coming out of there. It's not cooling down at all. So, you know, we're 47 miles, about 50 miles south of Orlando, and I started doing some online research trying to find a dealership that maybe we could talk to about getting the AC repaired. And what I found out was that's not going to work. I called La Mesa RV here in southern Florida, and they told me that the earliest they would be able to get us in is the end of January, and we would have to leave the RV with them for 10 days minimum, so that they could diagnose the AC, order in a replacement, replace it, or whatever they had to do to get it fixed, right? So wouldn't be till the end of January, and we'd be without the RV for 10 days. Well, what do? I mean, when you're living full-time in the RV, and you know, you got all your stuff at it, I guess, I don't know, what do? You get a hotel or something? I don't know, but I didn't like that answer at all. So you know, I started thinking maybe we was going to have to leave here and start heading west somewhere until we ran into someplace we could get this thing fixed. Maybe we would have to go all the way back to Litson RV in Forest City, Iowa. You know, I just didn't know what to do. This is the first time anything like this has happened to us. So I called Winnebago in Forest City, Iowa, the service department. Told them what was going on, and they looked up my RV and told me the model number and the serial number on the rear air conditioner and all that. I told them the answer that I had gotten from the closest repair facility, you know, Winnebago dealership at La Mesa, and they sympathized with me. And here's what they told me. They told me that because it's the AC, and the AC is warranted by the manufacturer for 2 years, that I would probably get faster service if I called the manufacturer of the AC. It's a Coleman AC, and they gave me the number for RV Products, the makers of the Coleman ACs, I guess. So I gave them a call, and he gave me 2 telephone numbers for repair guys that take care of warranty work for their AC units. One was in Avon Park, Florida, and the other was in St. Cloud, Florida, which is both pretty close. The one in Avon Park told me he was booked 3 weeks out. This is a mobile repair service. So I called Dave's Mobile RV Repair in St. Cloud, Florida, and he told me that he would be able to get out here on Saturday the 23rd of December, and that is today. So the end result is Dave is going to come out today and take a look at the the AC, diagnose it, and probably order a new one. And he says he'll most likely be out a week from today to take off the old one and reinstall the new one. And here's the really good part. We don't have to go anywhere. He's coming here to do all the work to our boondocking spot.
All right.
So
let's pull slowly forward and see if he'll stay there for us. He's staying. Look at him. Check him out. He's staying. Wow.
How awesome is that? I bet you he'll come back. Ouch. Okay, so hey everyone, today is December 24th. Merry Christmas, everybody. I wanted to give you a quick update on Jabba's rear AC issue. The rear AC stopped blowing cold, I don't know, a week or 10 days ago. Dave from Dave's Mobile RV Repair was here yesterday, and he crawled up there and took a look at the AC while I had it running, and found that the compressor is leaking the refrigerant, and he did some had it while it was running. He did some tests inside to see how cool it was getting. It wasn't getting cool at all. The air temp going in was the same air as the air temp coming out. So the plan is that he is going to well, he took down the all the information on the AC, the model number, serial number, and all that data that he collected. He's going to call it in to Coleman on Tuesday, the 26th, I guess, and they will send him a new one, and then he will come out and install it. And I'll update you further as we get further in the process. We're expecting that to happen next weekend, next Saturday, but we'll see how it goes with the